Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to generate password in my website jd19.website. We need to go to my website. After that we need to click in main menu generate password item. After that we need to select our password type generation. This is UID. After that, we in previous video I showed how to generate by default params password. This is by default params. Now I want to show you how to generate password with first param. First param is change lowercase to uppercase. Here we can see all letters is lowercase. Now we need to click that button, and here we can select percent of letters which should be uppercase. For example, should be for 49%. Now we need to click generate, and here we can see already we have uppercase and lowercase. Here we can see uppercase, here lowercase. For example, if we want to 100% all letters should be as uppercase, we need to here click here write 100% and after that click generate, and here we can see all letters is uppercase. Now we need to click copy to clipboard, and here we can see our password. This is all. Thank you, have a nice day.